The French ice cream company Van Leeuwen made sweet potato marshmallow casserole flavored ice cream, and we're gonna try it. Van Leeuwen is known for making all kinds of crazy flavors such as pizza and macaroni and cheese, which I've tried and I don't recommend. It doesn't smell like anything, but let's give it a taste. Okay, I like it. It's really good. It has chunks of marshmallow fluff in it that's not frozen all the way. That gives it a fun texture. It's got an almost caramel type flavor to it. I'm not getting much sweet potato, but it's good. I would rank this an 8.5 out of 10. Go try it.